welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. Let's do the Lookfantastic unboxing because this is my beauty box and let's see what's inside. So in this video I'm going to show you what's inside my Lookfantastic beauty box. I'm also going to talk about the products that were in the previous box, what I used, what I didn't, and how I feel about them, because I thought I want to review them after, not just show you what's in the box, but talk about the products that were in the previous box as well, and if you should get the box or not. I have not looked at this April box. Is it April? No, I haven't looked at the May box because I didn't want to. I wanted to be surprised. And I have taken the packaging off, but before we continue, let me tell you what Lookfantastic is. It's a subscription box which has, I think, 5 products. It costs, you can get a 3-month subscription, a 6-month and a yearly. I have opted for the 3-month subscription and it's $14.50 for 5 products, I think. Don't quote me. And I have a referral code which if you use you can get a discount. I'll try to put a text at the top of this video and I'll also link it in the description box. You get a little discount off your first box. So yeah, let's look at what is inside this box. So as I said, this is the box. You open it and it comes with a little beauty box magazine. Now I like this little beauty box magazine because apart from information about what's in the box, you also get little articles that are a bit like about skincare and makeup and all that. I would say that what I've noticed is the April box, and I'm guessing this one, and what people have told me, this is more about skincare, not so much makeup, but let's see. So it has a tissue paper, and you take that off and you open the box and let's see what's in this box. So, I'm going to take off my glasses because it's harder for me to read, and I hope I don't have any wonky makeup on because I did this quickly so I could film this video. And yeah, so eco-friendly microfiber cleansing wash, removes makeup with just water. Okay, we're going to try this. Ooh, okay. So this is how big the cloth is. This is my face. It's bigger than my face. It's very soft. And it has information. You can wash it, and it helps you remove your makeup without using what? Without washing, without having to throw it away. You just wash it again. So this costs, how much does this cost? Let's see. Does it have the retail price? £10. So it says, let this Magnetone cleansing cloth remove your makeup with just warm water. Grab and hold microfibers, remove even the toughest of makeup slightly. And you wash it at the machine at 30 degrees. How to use: wet cloth with warm water and gently wipe your makeup. So I'm going to try this and I'll let you know in next month's subscription box if I was happy with it. Let's move on to the next product, which is, let's see here, so this is Dr. Lip Tint. This is a very, very small, what is this called? This is a this is a natural moisturizing color lip tint in sweet potato. This is worth £3. I wonder what sweet potato is. Oh guys, I'm colorblind, so I don't know what exactly color it's going to be, but I'm going to put it on my hand and show you what it comes out as. So this is sweet potato. I have no idea what color that is. I'll ask my partner later. So I've heard about Dr. Lip. Now let's see, what does it say here? So get a subtle pop of color and ultra hydration. A tinted balm made of 4 natural ingredients, and it has lanolin, which gives the balm its moisturizing properties. 100% natural and cruelty free. Cool, great. Now what else we have? Hang on, let me see, because it says ACO. Where is my ACO? Oh, hang on. So then I have Balance Me Balance Me, what is this? Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. Plumping mist. So this is a plumping mist worth £10. It is award-winning, skin quenching, brightening, and incredibly hydrating. I've used Balance Me before and I really like their products. It's designed to replace a toner in your skincare routine, and it helps fix makeup in place, and it refreshes your face. You spray it on your face. So looking forward to trying that. Ooh, there's Corres. Yay, I love Corres. It's a Greek brand. So let's see, what is this one? Corres. So this is the probiotic Super Rose face mask. Yes, I've heard about this in Greece, and this is a very good brand. If you've never heard of them, you should check them out. So this is suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. I've used Corre and I haven't had any problems. Corre face mask smooth, hydrates and cools the face, and it's very nice and pump. These smell really nice. I love the Corre products. And sorry guys, I'm talking a lot about Greece. I'm not going to open it yet because I have other face masks I want to use, so I don't want to wreck this. But if you haven't tried them, you should check out that brand. It's a really good brand. Now, there is an Eco Brow Gel, which is, how much does this retail for? So this is it. It's worth £10. And this tames unruly eyebrows. Let's see what the spoolie looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm scared to do this. Hang on. Is there a colour? Let's see. Yep, there is a colour. And that's what it is. I'm not going to put it on my eyebrows though, because I'm scared I'll mess it up. I'm not going to go for that look. And finally, I heard about this product, which is the Avant. Now this is worth £100 according to this little booklet. It says, get a bright and smooth complexion with the help of this rich anti-aging Avant moisturizer. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and sweet almond oils. Again, I'm not going to open this yet because I'll let you know next month. So you have to subscribe to my channel, of course. I'll let you know next month how it feels. Sweet almond, seawater, shea butter. So this is a moisturizer. So I'm really looking forward to trying that and see how it works for my skin. So these are the products. So you get the face mask, wipe, whatever it's called, the cream. You get an eyebrow gel, which, did I say how much that cost? I think I did. Let me just say. I'm not 100% sure. Did I? Aiko says £10. And then the Corre Rose, that costs, how much is that? That is worth $9.40. And then this one is £3, a little balm. And yeah, that's what's in the box for May. So really looking forward, really happy with all the products that are in there, and I'm looking forward to using them. Now let's go back, especially all these things. Ooh, it's exciting. Okay, let's move on to the products that were in last month's box. I'm going to pause so I can put something special. So in last month's box, you had this Enzo toner, and I've used it. It feels really nice. It's not silicone-y, but it's not watery either, so it's somewhere in between. I haven't used this Star Skin face mask yet to be used. I'll let you go maybe in the next video because I've used other face masks, so I haven't used this up. I did use this though, which is the Coffee Mind Tan Minotan. So this is a body scrub, an exfoliating scrub that smells like coffee. It does smell like coffee. I liked it. I put it on my skin. It was a little bit rough. It smelled really nice, but I didn't use it all. And then I left it in the shower and it got full of water. So good product. Liked it. I haven't used this moisturizing transforming body lotion yet because I'm using my other body lotion, which is my Sanctuary Spa body lotion, and I don't want to open one and then just leave it there. So it's still closed, and I will use it probably next month when it's going to be summer and I want to transform my body. And the tweezers, these really, really nice tweezers, they are from, which company is that called? The Vintage Cosmetic Company. They look really pretty. I like them and they're good. I like the fact that it had this kind of thing at the bottom, at the top. Really easy to pluck your eyebrows. So really happy with all the products here. So far, 2 boxes, really happy. You should check them out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have a subscription box, which one you subscribe to and why. We can talk about subscription boxes. I used to subscribe to the glossy box, but I stopped because I wasn't using the products. Here, so far, 2 boxes. Really happy. You can use my discount code if you want to. Otherwise, you can just go to the website and look at the Lookfantastic website and just see if you want to get them. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Still here, cool. I forgot to mention the thing that I like the most in the Lookfantastic box, which is this. This is a Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette called Peach Blossom. These are the colors that are in this, and I have been using this all the time. Really happy with it. Now I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. I'll see you. I don't know how to edit this in, so that's why you're going to see it after the bye-bye. See you in a bit. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, because why wouldn't you want to subscribe? I'm such an amazing YouTuber. Just kidding. See ya. Bye.